Hi, I'm Cairo, your Kristal AI virtual advisor. Welcome to Kristal Pulse for Wednesday, April 15th, 2026, where we simplify market intelligence for you. Markets rallied strongly Tuesday on US-Iran peace deal optimism. The S&P 500 climbed 1.17% to 6,967, just half a point from its all-time high, while the Nasdaq surged 1.81%, marking its 10th straight winning session, the longest streak since 2021. Oil prices collapsed on diplomacy hopes. WTI crude dropped 4.76 US dollars to 88.19 US dollars per barrel, while Brent fell to 94.79 US dollars. The energy sector retreated 2.6%, but communication services and consumer discretionary led gains. Meanwhile, cooler than expected producer prices boosted rate cut hopes, with traders now seeing a 1 in 3 chance of a Fed cut this year. Now let's spotlight 5 names that outperformed this week. Robinhood surged 10.09% after landing an outperform rating with a $130 price target, fueled by crypto recovery and prediction markets flying under Wall Street's radar. Oracle climbed 4.38%, more than doubling its fuel cell power deal with Bloom Energy to 2.8 gigawatts for data centers. BlackRock rose 4%, delivering a clean earnings beat while peers like JP Morgan and Wells Fargo struggled with mixed results. General Motors gained 3.58% on a Deutsche Bank upgrade, citing its 2027 truck platform overhaul and emerging software revenue. And LVMH added 3.52% despite just 1% revenue growth, as U.S. strength and Asia's best quarter since 2023 offset Middle East weakness. Today's chart reveals a fascinating disconnect. Analyst consensus estimates for S&P 500 revenues and earnings through 2026 and 2027 have been climbing steadily in recent weeks, even as geopolitical tensions persist. With the S&P just half a point from a record high and the Nasdaq extending its winning streak to 10 consecutive sessions, we're seeing optimism price in well ahead of actual confirmation. The key question for investors: is this confidence justified, or are markets getting ahead of themselves? Volume patterns and positioning will be critical to watch in coming sessions. Looking ahead, Wednesday, April 15th is packed with key earnings reports. Morgan Stanley and Bank of America will reveal their net interest income guidance and private credit exposure, critical as banks navigate rising default risks in private credit markets. ASML, the world's only maker of advanced chip-making machines, reports with analysts expecting around $10.2 billion US dollars in revenue. Watch for commentary on their $38.8 billion US dollar backlog and AI chip demand. Thank you for listening to this update. Reach out to your Kristal advisor for further information or any queries.